Today we're going to be going over the Xtool P3's conveyor system, which is absolutely a major overhaul. All you do is set up your conveyor system and you now can leave it in the machine, no longer having to remove it at the end of any project. Right now we are just etching out my design for this large sign that I am making, which is going to be 24 inches wide by 54 inches long. Xtool has done some major upgrades with the conveyor system. Some of it, which is, as you can see here, is this rubber grommet, which helps keep a lot of that smoke inside. While it will get a little smoky still while you are doing your actual cut, it all gets extracted out with your ventilation system. Another great feature that Xtool has provided us is this camera view on your monitor. You can see front and side view. Here we are just cutting, and you'll see the smoke that I'm talking about shortly. But it's all being extracted out of the ventilation system and not into my room. Here is the sign all cut out. As you can see, it's pretty large. Again, it's 54 inches long by 24 inches wide.